Place it, goes down. All right, today I'm gonna show you how to make ginger shots using ginger. And right here, I have an Angel juicer right here. So what I'm gonna do is make sure that the Angel juicer is secure and in place. I'm gonna put the top on right here to keep it from splatterizing everywhere. And then I'm going to put the collection cup right here and the juicing cup right here. I'll actually take this off so you can see this somewhat. So I'm gonna put this on right here, and then I'm going to turn the juicer on by hitting the switch on back. Lights light up on the side. Ginger's ready. Let me go ahead and turn this on. And I'll take the top off so you can see the process, but if it gets too much splatterization, I might have to put it on. So I'm gonna take a piece of the ginger, and I won't have to cut it up. I can just go ahead and break it into pieces. I'll take it and I'll place it in top right here. Of course, it's not gonna go through right away. It needs to catch. So I'll take the plunger right here, and I'll go ahead and press down, and you'll see the juice start to come out right here. You see the juice starts to pop up. As I press it down, you can smell the fresh ginger juice coming through. Take another piece off. Place it. Goes down. What you want to do is just take it into pieces and place it down into the hole. And take the plunger that comes with the Angel juicer and press down. You can see that it's coming up right here. That's fresh ginger juice right there. Take this part right here, place that down. See the fresh ginger juice coming out, and then the extract right here. Extract of it is going in there, and then the waste or the ginger fiber is actually coming out down here, and I'll show you that after I finish placing the ginger in here. Now you want to break it off into the smallest pieces as possible because you don't want to get it stuck inside of the chute right here. And you'll be like, oh shoot, you didn't get that joke. But I'm pressing down. You see the ginger coming out of right here and into the cup right there. And then I'll press down here and I'll wait a couple of seconds for the rest of the ginger to go through here, and I'll show you that as well, into the collection cup. All right, so it's through there. Now all this does is, if you get a lot of splatteration, you want to keep this on here to keep it from splatterizing everywhere. So it's into the collection cup, and what I'll do now is I'll turn it off. Then I'll get a cup. Pull this out. You'll see all the pulp that came out of here. This is the ginger pulp that came out of here, and this is the extracted juice right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this inside of the cup. Now this is pretty strong. You want to probably dilute this with water, or either just take a small bit of this at a time, because this is very potent right here. This is fresh, 100% all-American ginger juice. Look at that. I'm going to show you right now. You can hear the fan still going off on here. The fan right here, all it is doing is cooling the motor off before it actually shuts off. So the fan is going, but it's not currently on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to detach this and show you the pulp that the juicer, the Angel juicer, was doing. So I pull this off. You see that? It's a collection right here. I'm going to pull this out. This is what I'm going to be cleaning off right here. This is just extra pulp off of the mechanisms right here. You see that it is pretty dry, or well drained right here. It has a moist texture to it, but you squeeze it, you won't get any juice out of it, because they did a great job in extracting the juice. So look at that. That's the Angel juicer right there. If you look at it, that's the juice, angel juice right here. All right, and that's how you make ginger shots right here. Very strong. I made a lot of it right here. Probably gonna dilute this with some water. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for juicing.